Hello and welcome everyone to our YouTube channel. Every middle class boy has a dream to buy KTM motorcycles. But before buying, we may have different problem of its pricing. In today's video, I'm gonna reveal every KTM bike price present in Nepal. So stay tuned and please watch the full video and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. When we hear KTM bike, it means powerful, aggression, stylish, sports are the word which comes in our mind. KTM bike gives high performance, good looks, nice design, power pickups, and many different things which make KTM bike very popular these days. At very first, coming to KTM 125. The Duke 125 has a 124.7cc of engine with 6 gears which can cost around 4,49,500. The Duke 125cc is not so efficient in Nepal as its price in India is 1 lakh, whereas its price in Nepal is around 4,50,000. Coming to the KTM Duke 200. KTM Duke 200 is the entity level motorcycle from KTM. But don't be fooled by the entity level tag. It is one of the fastest bike in the 200cc segment and has the best power weight ratio. It's also the most alike bike in this segment. The KTM Duke 200 has an engine of 199.5cc which can cost around 5,84,900 in Nepal. Coming to KTM 250, the KTM Duke 250 is the most recent launch from the KTM stable. The KTM Duke 250 sits in between KTM Duke 200 and KTM Duke 390 and is priced similarly. The KTM 250 follows the design language of the other Duke bikes and looks strangely similar to the Duke 390. The KTM Duke 250 had an engine of 248.8cc which can cost around 7,24,900. Coming to Duke 390. The Duke 390 is the flagship Duke in Nepal and is priced higher even than the KTM RC 390. The bike gets a powerful 373.2cc single cylinder engine. There's also a feature on the Duke 390 which let you connect the bike to your phone. The KTM Duke 390 has an engine of 373.2cc which can cost around 9,69,900 only in Nepal. Now coming to the KTM RC200. The KTM RC200 is the entity level sports bike from the KTM stable. The design of the bike is what stands out the most. The RC200 is made for the tracks and may not be as comfortable for city riding. The KTM RC200 has an engine of 199.5cc which can cost around 6,59,900 in Nepal. Moving on to KTM RC390. Unlike Duke series, the RC doesn't get a 250cc motor. There is only a choice of either a 200cc engine or a 390cc engine. The KTM RC 390 features the most powerful engine of all the KTM bikes sold in Nepal. The handling of the KTM RC 390 is what will impress you the most. The KTM RC 390 has an engine of 373.2cc which can cost around 9,44,900 in Nepal. Moving on to the KTM 250 Adventure. It is built on an ultra lightweight trellis frame. Moreover, it gets the same travel enduro design as seen in 390 Adventure. Like the 390 Adventure, it shares most of the similarities with a few key differences. Firstly, it gets a halogen headlamp with LED DRLS. Secondly, it gets an LCD TFT display without any Bluetooth connectivity feature. Furthermore, there are few cost cutting here and there, but it still reserves its adventure character with its sharp tank rods, off-roading tires. The KTM 250 Adventure had an engine of 248.8 cc and it cost around 8,19,900 in Nepal. Moving on to KTM 390 Adventure. The KTM 390 Adventure is a highly awaited motorcycle globally and marks the brand entity in the entity-level adventure tourer segment. The bike looks like the existing model. There are some key differences suggesting it could be a more off-road ready variant. The KTM 390 Adventure had an engine of 373cc and it cost around 10,89,900 in Nepal. So this was all about KTM bike prices available in Nepal. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe the channel. We'll keep bringing more motovlog videos. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section.